new house. The moon is still up. Good morning. You look so pretty. We are on our way to Austin, Texas to teach another hair painting and business workshop. We're all really tired, but look how pretty Utah is. We're in Nevada. I don't know where. Is this where I got a ticket last time?
No, that was in Arizona.
Oh. Like the state lines are like Utah, Arizona, Nevada, Arizona, Nevada?
No, you just
we go through it twice.
You go through a little corner of Arizona.
Oh, we go through the gorge. I got a ticket going criminal speeds. I was going 35 miles an hour over the speed limit because I'm a criminal. Well, we're really excited. We're going to go get milkshakes with Jack Daniels in them. We're gonna do Tex-Mex.
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 So excited for food.
We're gonna get a milkshake! Ooh, look at that cute photo wall! Guess whose milkshake this is? Derek. He always has pink sparkles, or flowers, or anything girly. It's always
Never on purpose.
Hold on. Where is it? Oh shit. Oh, all the way down there.
What is this ridiculousness?
I want one on your clothes.
Oh, see, she's doing it right.
This is Derek's choice today. It's so yellow in here.
Sunscreen. Broad spectrum.
Put it on your hands. Let's decide if this is sunscreen or foundation.
It's naturally tinted, broad spectrum, water resistant, for 80 minutes.
For 80 minutes? That's shitty makeup.
No, it's waterproof for 80 minutes.
Oh, so focusing. Makeup or sunscreen? What do you think, baby?
Doesn't say it's makeup.
Well, it's okay. We can do our makeup together.
How do you feel, ladies?
Cold. So cold. But excited.
Frigid. How do you say exciting and frigid together? How do you say exciting?
I don't think that's a word.
Frigid.
We make our
Which
own
one's
words.
yours, baby? Oh, Derek.
They're both say Derek, actually.
Ours is the cocoa burning
That's not
love.
mine.
A healthy breakfast.
Always.
Do it.
Hello. No. Wait, no.
Hello.
We are here in the. It's not the Windy City. What is it?
The cold city.
In the frigid city of Austin, and we're going to teach a workshop. And we're hoping our fingers will de-thaw so we can paint hair. What else are we gonna do? We're gonna do the business, and the hair painting, and the blonding. And we're telling them about a big secret that you guys can't know yet. You will know it driver hopefully is here.
Big old.
I hope that's him.
Is he in a truck?
I hope so too. Slowing down.
Hello. Yeah, we're coming. Which I did. Well, this looks like my kind of view.
Yeah.
After this. Morning.
Oh, what's up, guys?
Hey.
Hi, we're at Bowie Street Collective in Austin. Come on in. Now it's time to set up. And we're gonna set up and get ready to rock and roll.